We're live! You're live! You're live! We're live!
Ah! Okay. Hey guys!
Hi!
I'm Lauren, and this is my friend Kunal.
I'm Kunal.
He's super awkward like this all the time.
Hi.
And today on Life Above the Clouds, we're gonna make a Pizookie.
Heck yeah, we are.
Because I asked Kunal what he wanted to make yesterday, and that's what he said.
Pizookies are my favorite.
It's a cookie in a pan shaped like a pizza. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. I've already buttered my 10-inch cast iron skillet. We are gonna start by mixing our butter and our sugars. We have a cup of melted butter that I've also added a half of a tablespoon of cannabis butter in here. Only a half because Kunal has to do things later. We also have a half a cup of granulated sugar.
Dang, look at all
Yeah,
that
we don't
sugar.
mess around. And
Heck
a
yeah.
whole cup of brown sugar.
Oh.
Well, I'm gonna go ahead and mix these together.
I think I'm doing it.
I think you're doing it.
Do you just go around?
In another mixing bowl, I have flour, salt, and baking soda that we are just gonna whisk together.
Whisk
So
it
that
up.
it's all combined. Kunal is gonna continue mixing, and while Kunal continues mixing, I'm gonna add 2 eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
I'm doing good, guys.
Just get it in there.
I'm doing really
There you
good.
go. So that's 1 egg, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Heck yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna continue mixing, and I'm gonna gradually pour in our flour mixture.
In there.
Get in there, get in there.
I'm in it.
This is such good friendship.
We're really good at friendship.
Aren't we? And I'm just gonna use my spatula to scrape the sides of the bowl. Okay, we're gonna add our chocolate chips. This is a cup of chocolate chips.
Oh yeah.
I'm using dark chocolate chips because I personally like them the best. A lot of
dig it.
people like to use semi-sweet for chocolate chip cookies. Go for it. Yeah, all of it. Do it. Do
yeah.
it.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
And then you can just use the spatula to spread it into a nice even layer into the pan.
Heck yeah, you can.
And it's going into the oven for 22 to 24 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. And we still want it to be ooey gooey on the center because that would go really well with the vanilla ice cream that we don't have. Oh!
Just get in there.
Just get it. Oh.
Oh, it's like crispy flaky. Oh, baby. Oh, it's gooey. That's ooey gooey in there.
That is ooey gooey.
Yeah, it was good. Nice.
Are you done?
I'm getting there.
Did I eat more than you? That's embarrassing. Guys, we made a chocolate chip Pizookie and we ate it with ice cream.
Look at that. That's the thing we did.
Right?
We ate a bunch of this
We did.
big ass cookie.
Thank you guys for watching us make this big ass cookie. And thank you, Kunal, for joining me and hanging out and eating a big ass cookie with me.
Anytime.
And thank you, Brazos, for sniffing around and trying
And
to lick
licking
things.
everything.
Yeah, you're so good at licking things. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching. And I won't see you next week because next week is Thanksgiving and I will have family in town. But the week after that, I will be back.
Heck yeah.
So,
Peace, y'all.
Peace, y'all.